Today we are going to look at multiplication patterns. So yesterday we talked about how anytime you multiply 1 by a number, you're going to get that number. And then we looked at if you multiply with zeros, then you can just take like 4 times 1 is 4, and then you just add however many zeros follow it, or however many zeros you took away from the problem. So today we're going to look at multiplication patterns. So to start off, let's just go pretty basic with 4 times 1. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. You add 1 zero, you get 40. 4 times 1 is 4. You add 2 zeros, you get 400. So 4, 40, 400. If you do 5 times 1, you get 5. 5 times 1, you get 5. You add 1 zero, you get 50. 5 times 1, you get 5. Add 2 zeros, you get 500. Alright? But this also works for any number that you would put in that first number that follows your multiplication sign. Anytime you have the zeros after any number, this pattern is going to work. So I want to show you if we do it with 8s. So 8 times 3, 8 times 30, 8 times 300. Alright, well, we have the zeros, so we can do the trick, the zeros trick. But just because it's not a 1 in this place value does not mean you cannot do the zeros trick. You just have to know your multiplication facts, which is going to be a little bit of a struggle if we don't know our facts. So 8 times 3 is 24. There's no zeros, so we don't add any zeros. 8 times 3 is 24. You add 1 zero for 240. 8 times 3 is 24. You add 2 zeros and get 2,400. Alright, we're going to try one more with a pattern of 5s. So 9 times 5, 9 times 50, 9 times 500. You can see that. Alright, so 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 5 is 45. I took away my 0, now I'm going to add it back in. I get 450. 9 times 5 is 45. I took away 2 zeros, I'm adding them back in. Add my comma, I get 4,500. So this is what you're going to practice with today, looking at your patterns and multiplication to help you solve the problems quicker. Alright, 4th grade, good luck!